You're welcome to another session of the ATU Library tutorial series. And this tutorial series is going to cover ChatGPT and search engine optimization. Actually, the tutorial is going to focus on how you can use one of these free, powerful AI tools, which is being built from ChatGPT, for this search engine optimization. So the AI tool that we are going to use is the Harper AI. Actually, this particular tool is free. We have a search engine optimization tool that you are supposed to pay for these, your optimization information that you need actually about a particular website or actually about your search results. However, we are going to use this Harper AI to do this magic, and basically it's free. So this is just an extension, the Harper AI, an extension that you just need to have it as part of your Chrome browser. Yes, actually. So before we start moving, what actually is search engine optimization? So we are saying that search engine optimization is just the process of maximizing the number of visitors to a particular website by ensuring that the site appears high on the list of results returned by a search engine. So basically, you want people to know that when they search something online, for instance, let's say you are selling a particular product or you are into e-commerce, and so we have visitors or people visiting the Google website and just using the search engines to search for something. So as a business entity or as an organization that deals in e-commerce, you would wish that whatever people do search online, let's say using the Google search engine, your website will be part of the result that do appears. Exactly. So, but the search engine optimization actually goes beyond that because you really want to know what, let's say you visit a particular website and you want to know the specifics, you want to know what actually the website entails without not necessarily going through all aspects of the web pages of a particular website. So we have tools that actually scan through that particular web page that you have visited or the website that you have visited and gives you every information that you need about that particular website. And there we are going to use this Harper AI to do that. Okay, so let's move. So we have to, so I just have to, let's move from this screen. All right, so let's open our browser. So I said that the AI tool that we are going to use is the Harper AI. So you just type Harper AI. Exactly. So this is what we have. So Harper AI ChatGPT web assistant for Chrome. So we have click on this one. We have Harper AI ChatGPT web automation assistant. So I do have mine over here. Yeah, that's what you see over here. So it's just an extension. So when you click on it, I do have, so I already have mine installed. When you don't have it installed, you see the installation button over here. So you just click it and automatically it gets installed or it becomes part of your browser. All right, good. So let's start with something. So I just want to know more information about African web. Yeah, or let's say I am a business and I am into business and I want to do something about African web. So I just come to Google, I type something like African web. All right. So you realize that Google is giving 690 million, yeah, 690 million results. And it means that there are a lot of things over here that you really need to know, but you cannot do more because looking at search results is huge, 619 million. So actually you need a particular tool to give you more insight about this search concerning the African web. So I just click on my AI tool. All right. So it just gives me some information about African web. Basically, because that is what we search over here. Okay. All right. So we have African wear refers to traditional clothing styles There are some particular or some popular types of African wear include. All right, now we want to know more about this 690 million results. Okay, all right, so you realize that write a question over here, write a question or type. There's a slash over here for a quick command. So let's type our slash and let's see. Okay, so we can use this tool to analyze this result. Translation, reply, rewrite, compose, alternative, let's say summary, summarize the page content. We have contact, we have Grammarly, and so forth. Now you come over here, you realize that we have extract and research, search engine optimization keywords also over here. So there are a bunch of important steps over here that you can use. Okay, let's say that we want to summarize the page content. So we click this one. Okay, all right. So let's move on. We need more info. This is just to summarize the page for us. Okay, so we have our slash over here. What else do we want to know about this particular search that is African wear? So let's extract and research SEO keywords. So what we have over here is extract keywords from competitors' article. So we click on this one. Okay. Now we have some information over here that is extract keywords from competitor articles, perform keyword research, find keyword density, and the LSI keyword. All right. So you are supposed to show more or give more insights about this particular page, focusing on keywords. Now, how do we get that? Okay, so this time around, we click on this one. You realize that when I hover the mouse on this particular button, it's telling you that send text from the open web page to AI. All right, so I want to extract and research SEO keywords from this particular web page that is showing over here, what you are seeing on the screen. So I'll just click on this one. Then I'll click on this one. Okay, so that's what we are seeing over here. Okay, so what do we have over here? So we have some keywords over here. So you realize that from what we have over here, African wear is mostly search more often as compared to, let's say, men African wear, African clothing, traditional African wear. So normally the keyword used is the African wear. So what is the LSI keyword? So let's quickly say something from Google. So we have that is the LSI. I think let's go for, okay, all right. So let's copy this one. Let's say Google. Paste. All right, so that's what we have over here. So the latent semantic indexing keywords are conceptually related terms that search engines use to deeply understand the content on a web page. So let's come back to what we have over here. So you realize that let's say if you want your web page to show actually when you are dealing in let's say African West, you can be having some of these tags on your web page so that the moment there's a search on African wear or something like that, let's say men African wear, your website or your website will be part of the list of websites that do appears after the search results. So we have African clothing, we have traditional African attire, African fashion, African attire, African dresses. Yeah. So if you are also dealing in men African wear, you can also use some of these keywords like African men fashion, traditional men's attire, men's African clothing, African groomsmen attire, and so forth. All right. So these are some information that you can gather from the 619 million or 619 million results over here. All right. But there are a whole lot of information that you can get from these search results. This is basically free, but if you are to get this search engine optimization softwares or tools, it's going to cost you a lot of money, So with just your slash, you realize that you can do a bunch of activities over here. All right, let's try another one. Let's say we want to, let's try this website. Okay, so we have Alibaba. Okay, so we click on and we visit the website. Okay, so all right, so this is the website that we see over here. Okay, there are a lot of information over here. So let's click on our AI tool. All right. So what information do you want to gather from this particular website? Okay, let's say I have my slash. You want to summarize this particular page. Okay, so let's click on it. So it's telling you what Alibaba is about. Okay, it's done. Right. So you also have another slash. Okay, what do you want to do? Okay, extract data from the web page. So remove. Oh, wow. Just look at the information that we have over here. It saves you a lot of time. So the website is alibaba.com. The category of products, we have the consumer electronics, we have vehicles, parts, and a whole lot. The type of business is B2B marketplace. Features, oh, this is pretty good. We have manufacturers, suppliers, exporters, importers, buyers, wholesalers, etc. You realize that a whole lot of information over here. All right, so let's check something else too. So we have our slash. Okay, let's go for this one too. Then we click on page text. Perfect. So as an SEO keyword research expert, I have analyzed the content of Alibaba.com and identified the following high volume keywords. So this is like the information that we have over here when people visit this website. Sometimes they use, let's say, manufacturers, suppliers, buyers, wholesale, or even when they want to be directed to this particular web page, let's say Alibaba. So if you search anything, let's say products on Google, it's obvious that, let's say, the e-commerce platform that will come as part of the search results, you are likely to see Alibaba.com. All right, so these are the keywords as identified, high volume keywords over here. So even when you visit the web page, the Alibaba.com, you can even search vehicle parts and accessories. You can search for logistics services, request for quotation. So this gives you a whole bunch of insights of that particular website that you have visited actually. All right, we just did that with this particular AI tool, that is the Harper AI. All right, so thanks a lot for watching this particular tutorial. Follow us, subscribe to our channel, ATU Library, and expect more videos from ATU Library. Thank you.